Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So over the past month I've been buying up some coins, and so I just wanted to show you what I've been buying, and hopefully I can remember what I actually paid, and just a little bit about why I've bought them. So let's start off with the 2018 10-cent coins. So as we know, and I've spoken about this plenty, we don't know what the mintage is, but it's looking like it's going to be fairly low. I did read somewhere recently that speculation would be that there's potentially around 200,000 of these, which is ultra low. Don't quote me, but that's just what I've read and what I've heard, and probably what the rumor is. So I managed to get a bag probably close to a month ago, but this week I managed to be able to get another 3 bags of them, and I actually also bought 12. I think it's 12 of the just the single coins. So what I did was I actually bought. Someone was selling. I think I put on my video actually that they were selling 6 for $4.60, and so I bought 2 lots of that. So that's how I got 12 of them for just over $9, including postage. I asked the question then, do they have any in bags? And they came back to me and said that they had 3 bags, and that they were happy to sell them for $20 a bag, including postage. So I snapped them up very quickly. Now, so that means I got 4 bags and 12 coins, so 212 coins uncirculated, which I'm very happy with. And so yes, I've paid around $90 for all these coins here, but an interesting thing, and I know a few of you have been watching this, but there have been some rolls. So what they've done is they've taken them from bags like this, and they've actually rolled them, and a certain company have done that, and they sell them on eBay. Now, earlier in the month, probably late last month, a roll of these 10-cent coins was selling for around the $21, $22 plus postage. So, and they were charging close to $10 postage. So let's say $30 a roll. By probably 2 or 3 days ago, these things were selling, including postage, in a roll for $70 a roll. $71 in fact, including postage. So if you've got these, if you're finding them, make sure you hold on to them. This could be one of the biggest things to happen to coins, and I'm really hoping so, because if it turns out to be a massive amount, well then that's the game we're playing, and I don't mind spending a little bit of money in the hope of potentially one day selling these for, well, let's hope $10 each, if it goes the right way. So hold them if you've got them. Now the next one, I bought also a bag of, we got here, 2018 Mob of Ruse. I paid $38, including postage, for these, so $20 worth in here, $4 worth in the 10-cent thing. So you can just see how much, how inflated the prices are. But this particular bag, well, could be a low mintage bag as well, so that's why I've bought that. I've only bought the 1 bag of those. I also bought, and this is a mixed bag of 2019 and 2018 Mob of Ruse. Now we know that the 2019 is the A, U and S versions, and there's 1 million of each of those. But in this bag is 2018 Mob of Ruse, so which is part of the reason why I believe that the mintage is going to be fairly low, because they started making these 2019 coins fairly early, possibly even September. So if they were already doing 2019 coins, that means they probably stopped making 2018 coins, or they could have had them going at the same time. But that's how we ended up with bags of 2018 and 2019 coins in the same bag. So there's a 2018 coin there, and that's a 2019 coin there. So this in itself, you can pick these up fairly cheaply as well on eBay, probably for around the same sort of dollar price, or in that $38 price per bag. And this could end up being a special bag, so having 2 years in the same bag. So look out for those. If you can get yourself a bag of those, it's certainly well worth holding on to. I also picked up, and the reason why I bought these is, so each year I've been buying, so this is the 100 Years of Anzac coin, and this is the 2018 version. I forget how much I paid for these. It might have been somewhere around that $30 mark. I think I managed to get a bit of a bargain there. So once again, $20 worth of coins in here. So I've bought the 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 and the 2018. So I have them all in bags now, the 20 coin bags. I do have them in 10 coin bags as well when the Mint were producing those. But I really wanted to have them in the 20 coin bag, which is the rarer way to find them. So I managed to get a few of the 2015 version, which is the one that is very rare to find. And but yeah, happy I got the full collection now of bags of 20 coins. So I'm happy about that. One other coin I picked up, and I think I just got mailed this yesterday, and I watched this go by for a week. And if you look at this one, I've spoken about tilted collars before, but this one's actually a little bit unique in the fact that when you spin the whole coin, and as I'm doing that now, normally the milling around the edge will run off on an angle, but in this particular case it's pretty much 50-50. So you can see there now, it's a bit hard to show you, but there is a bit of a double sort of rim there on the edge, so it's fatter where it hasn't been milled. Now I think I've seen this referred to as a bottle cap error. I'm not sure, but I need to do a bit more research. It is slightly off center, and it would have been out of the collar when the rim was being put on the actual coin. So I actually picked up this coin for $10, including postage, which I think is a very good buy. And considering the grade of it being in 1984, it's actually in very nice condition as well. It's got great luster, and I probably shouldn't be holding it with my hands, but anyway, it's something I wanted to have. Realistically, I think this coin's probably worth $30 to $40 based on this particular era. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this particular find, and I like to look out for bargain coins. So to finish off today, I've been looking at US coins, and I managed to pick up a set of, I think this is the Denver Mint from 1972. So we can see there what we've got there. And flip it around. Comes with this cool little plastic token as well. But each of the coins and the $50 as well. So it's pretty cool. So that's the Denver one. I think this one must be the Philadelphia, minted 1972. And I got these really cheap. Like I'm pretty sure I paid under $5 for both of them, including postage. So I was very happy with this buy, and because I'm getting into US coins and trying to learn a bit more before I take my trip later this year, it was something I was looking forward to holding on to. Alright guys, well that's all, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I have been buying, and I hope you've enjoyed this little look. And if you can get yourself some coins yourself, get out there and get shopping and make some good investments. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We've just cracked over that 800 subscribers today, which I'm really pleased about, and thank you to all you people who are enjoying the channel and communicating and letting me know that you're enjoying and what you'd like to see different. I really appreciate all that and the comments that you're making. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to bringing a new video to you soon. Bye for now.